Hi students, we are going to discuss about application of matrices and determinants. Okay, application of matrices and determinant. Okay, in the chapter we present some application of matrices in solving system of linear equation. To be specific, we study four methods, namely the first one is matrix inversion method, second Grammar's rule method, third Gaussian elimination method, and fourth one is rank method. Before knowing this method, we introduce the following: the inverse of non-singular square matrices, rank of matrices, elementary rows and column transformation, and the finally consistency of system of linear equation. Okay, now okay, let me start the chapters. Okay, chapter 1, application of matrices and determinant. Application of matrices and determinant. Definition: let A be a square matrix of order n. Let A be a square matrix of order n. Then the matrix of the cofactor of A is defined as the matrix obtained by the replacing each elements Aij of A with the corresponding cofactors Aij. With corresponding cofactor Aij, the adjoint of matrix of A is defined as the transpose of the matrix of the cofactor of A. It is denoted by adjoint A. So what is adjoint? Let A be a square matrix of order n, then the matrix of cofactor of A is defined as the matrix obtained by the replacing each elements Aij of A with corresponding cofactor Aij. The adjoint of matrix of A is defined as the transpose of the matrix of the cofactor of A. It is denoted by adjoint A or adj. The short form, the adj is otherwise called cofactor of A the whole transpose. So only one word. Cofactor of A the whole transpose called adj or adjoint A. That's it. Next example. Let A equal to 2 by 2 matrices to find the adjoint of A. So how to find adjoint of A in 2 by 2 matrices? Okay. Before that, find the value of minor of matrix, minor of A. So minor of A, which is equal to minor of minus 3 is first row and first column except the remaining value. First row and first column except the remaining value is 2. So minus 3, minor of minus 3 is 2. Next, minor of 4. How to find minor of 4? First row and second column. First row, this is the first row and second column except the remaining value is 6. And minor of 6 is second row, first column except the remaining value is 4. Minor of 2 is second row and second column except the remaining value is minus 3. So this is called minor of matrices. Next, how to find the cofactors? Cofactor means sign conversion. So how to find the sign conversion? So plus, the first value is plus sign, second value equal to minus, this is minus plus, alternate sign, plus means minus, minus means plus. This is called sign conversion. Okay, cofactor of A, which is equal to, this is plus 2, minus 6, minus 4, minus 3, plus into minus, minus 3. So this is called cofactor of A. The result is adjoint of A is, the short form adjoint of A is cofactor of A the whole transpose. Cofactor of A the whole transpose. So cofactor of A the whole transpose. So transpose means, so rows interchanged by columns, otherwise column interchanged by rows. So first row interchanged by first column. 2 minus 6. First row interchanged by first column. Second row interchanged by second column. Minus 4, minus 3. That's it. Another method, shortcut method. The shortcut method. So how to find the adjoint of A? Very simple. Change the leading diagonal value first. Leading diagonal value. How to change? 2 instead of minus 3 instead of 2. Exchange the values. Replace the main diagonal values. 2 minus 3 instead of 2, 2 instead of minus 3. Next, the minor diagonal value is opposite sign. Plus 6 means minus 6. In case minus 6 means plus 6. Plus 4 means minus 4. This is shortcut method. Now check the answer. Both are equal, no? So this is called adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. So adjoint of A or cofactor of A, the whole transpose equal to this value. So 2 minus 4 minus 6 minus 3. That's it.
போட்டோ எடுத்துக்கிட்டாங்க.